Hey everyone, got a short video today. I picked up a toolbox at a flea market for 10 bucks, and inside were some random tools, and one is this rusty pair of wire strippers, and they're pretty old, and so I put some mystery oil on them, got them working, and let's pick up from there. I've got them oiled up. You can see they're leaking some mystery oil out of them. You see they're working. I got them so they work. They look like they work pretty well too. So I'm just going to clean them up. So I think what that mostly means is a lot of wire brushing. And then maybe I'll give them a coat of black primer or something just to seal them. Alright, I'm just hitting it with a little steel wool on certain spots where I couldn't get exactly at with the wire brush. See, it's cleaning up nice with the steel wool. And I plan on using them, so I'm not gonna make them too perfect, but I also don't want them rusting in my toolbox. But now we can actually see, if I can zoom in. Rockford, Illinois. It says General Cement. Interesting. But they look good. They're ready to go. Good as new. I suppose I should try them, huh? Let me get a piece of wire. Well, let's see how well they work. Perfect. Just for a little added protection, just going to seal it with some clear. Don't have to be particularly careful with this. I'm not trying to get much of a finish on it, just trying to stop the rust from coming back. I'm going to let that dry for a bit. I used that. All right, the clear is dry. There you go. We gave an old stripper a new lease on life. So that wasn't hard. It took maybe 20 minutes to do the full job. And, you know, all we needed was a wire brush, some steel wool, some mystery oil, and we took something that essentially was a freebie for me. I had bought the toolbox for 10 bucks with some assorted rusty tools inside, and that was worth saving. So hey, if you come across something like this, don't be intimidated. You can do it. Just go out, get busy. Take care.